Okay, these are the ingredients you're going to need in order for you to make your pinto beans. You're going to need some pinto beans, 3 cloves of garlic, some onion, and salt of your choice. First of all, you're going to fill up your pot halfway with water. When it starts boiling, then you put the pinto beans in. You need to rinse and drain your pinto beans. Once you have done that, then you will put them in the pot with the other ingredients and let them cook for about 2.5 hours. Don't forget to put the cover on your pot so they could cook evenly. You could put a timer for about, I'd say, an hour, and when they're halfway cooked, you can put the 2 spoonfuls of salt in the pot and just let them cook all the way through. You could put it on low heat for best results. I'm checking on my beans and I'm noticing they need more water. So I suggest you grab some warm water and you pour some more in there. And then just cover it up again until they're cooked evenly. Now that the beans are fully cooked, it's time to enjoy this meal with a delicious tomatillo green salsa that I purchased at Trader Joe's, which is really good, and a little bit of cheese on top.